everybody, Grit21 back with another video, and today I have kind of a special video because I'm finally upgrading to two new 1080p monitors. I've had, in case you guys didn't know, I've had two 1280 by 1024 perfectly square monitors for the last, I don't know, year or so, and it's been driving me crazy because the resolution is just so weird and it looks weird when I'm trying to game on Twitch and stuff and video editing. So today's going to be kind of like a mix of an unboxing slash setup, so it'll be like a 2-in-1 type of thing. So I have the box in front of me. I have the other box that's off camera here that you can't see. I won't be filming that unboxing because that's just kind of silly. Why do it twice? So without further ado, I'm going to just tilt the camera down and open this up, and we'll see what's inside. This monitor is by Asus. This is their VS247 1080p monitors. This is recommended by a friend, MissRubyFalls on Twitch. She has two of these herself, and she says they were like really super good. And I was like, well, if they're good enough for her, then they're good enough for me. And I've been trying to look for really decent monitors for the last couple of months and couldn't decide on it. So I thought that I should. I was like, well, what monitors do you have? She's like, well, these are the ones I have. I was like, okay, I'll give it a try, or give it a shot. So I got two of these at Best Buy. Just got them tonight. Of course, by the time you see this, will probably be, a couple days from now, whatever. So yeah, these are full 1080p. They've got 2 millisecond response time. I don't know what else to really say about them, as I haven't really had a chance to play with them, obviously. So we're just gonna take this out. Oh gosh. Okay, so I have it right side up. Right, that's a good thing. Okay. I think these have VESA mounts, so you can mount them on a VESA stand if you want to. And put this styrofoam off camera here. Oh gosh. Oh wow. Okay, so that's what they look like. Oh wow, this is gonna be interesting. Hope I can fit 2 of these on my really small desk. Alright, hold on a second. Kudos to Asus for packing this. Wow. Oh, that looks nice. Look at that. That's really cool looking. I like that. That's nice. Looks like here's the stand. Stands in here. How does this screw on? Oh, there's okay, so it's a screw-on mount. Okay. Let me see if I can just figure this out here. It locks in. Alright, that's cool. Oh my gosh, come on. Hopefully you can see this. Let me tilt this up a bit here. Tighten that down. Wow, it's a nice firm metal base. I like that. Got a very nice stand. The monitor has a HDMI, VGA, DVI, and it looks like it has an audio jack as well. I guess if you're using HDMI, it could deliver the audio out this. That must mean these might have built-in, well, probably not built-in speakers, but at least an audio output, which is very impressive. What do you want to bet? I did what I thought I did. That's hilarious. Good job. Let's undo the plastic around here. Oh, there's plastic. Oh, I forgot to undo the plastic underneath. Alright, hold on. I gotta flip this upside down again and undo this, because I did it wrong, apparently. Come on. There we go. This is a lot of screen. More screen than I realized, which is fine, because frankly, as a video editor, having a monitor that is exactly square is not fun by any. It's not fun because because if you're shooting in 1080p, and if you're editing on a screen that's not 16:9, which is what 1080p technically is, it's 16:9. Which is an aspect ratio, and that's kind of, that's basically what the gist of it is. It's basically looking at it as a letterbox type of view. As an editor, that's not very helpful to have that. So yeah, so I'm gonna take all this plastic. Ooh, I love the self. I forget what this stuff is called, but man, it's so fun to pull off though. All right, pull this stuff off. All right, so that's all. So I'll do all the pulling off the rest of this. So let's see what's included. So they've given me a VGA cable. Okay, we're not going to be using VGA. I'm going to be using HDMI. I've also given me a DVI cable. Always good to have these. Power cable, standard. Why wouldn't you? As well as a monitor or manual. Always important again. So yeah, that's basically all that's included. I'm actually going to leave. The whole thing I'm going to leave in here is the video stuff. The power cord is what I need. What I got is an HDMI cable, and then the other one's going to have a display to HDMI because the GTX 960, for those of you who don't know, I upgraded my graphics card some time ago. GTX 960 only has 3 display port and 1 HDMI, 1 DVI, so I'll have to do a downscaling from to DisplayPort down to HDMI. So basically what that's going to be like. So I can somehow find a way to get this box out of the way. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you the gist of how it all looks and stuff. I've never, like I said, never done an unboxing before, so this is really super new for me. Oh, and I forgot to also mention these are 23-inch monitors. So yeah, this is it. So I've got 2 of these. So basically it would, you have one here, one on either side, and 23 inches is kind of huge. So this is gonna be kind of fun to figure out how to mount this. It's got a tilt and everything, no rotate, no height adjustment, which I think is annoying. As you can kind of see, there's VESA mount holes. You can see the 4 holes there. So yeah, that's the Asus VS247 monitor. I'm gonna be unbox the other one, and then I'm gonna have the camera be showing the sort of a large view of my office, and I'll be taking out the old monitors, plugging in the new monitors, and testing, make sure everything works well. And I am super excited because I've been wanting this for a long time, and I'm glad to finally, so I cannot pull stuff over, finally have this. So, alright, so that's that. I'm sorry the styrofoam's in the way, you're just gonna have to deal with it. So, that's that. Let's move on to actually installing these. Okay guys, so this is basically what we're gonna be upgrading here. Sorry about the microphone, it's my camera mic here. This is gonna be upgrading, so these are the former 2 perfectly square monitors that I was telling you about that have caused me, but they haven't caused me any problems. They've been okay, but they're not the best for what I'm doing for gaming and stuff. So in case you guys are wondering, it's a picture of Lara Croft from Tomb Raider Underworld, in case you're wondering. I love Tomb Raider. So I'm gonna basically be taking, I want to try to take as little out as possible because I don't want to have to take everything down, but I get the feeling I'm gonna have to, which is unfortunate, but we will see how this all goes. So this will be a time-lapse thing, so you don't have to sit here going like, oh, here goes pulling out one thing at a time. So yeah, this is what I will do, and we'll just see how this goes.
Run only as fast as I can, but my mind is free to sail across terabytes of reality, to soar above a pixel land in a rocket ship. The 9999 made of megabits. Ladies and gentlemen, leave the world and bring your friends. Step inside and close the door. Shut it out, plug it in, press start and we're flying. No use for your wars and slow, 'cause we build digital castles in the sky as we float on timeless satellites. 'Cause virtual is where we live. 'Cause virtual is where we live. 'Cause virtual is where we live. 'Cause virtual is where we live, live, live. Run only as fast as I can, but my mind is free to celebrate universes in binary. Spend all day in the clouds and our definitions now. So high, 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 we're not coming down. Ladies and gentlemen, leave the world and bring your friends. Step inside and close the door. Shut it out, plug it in, press start and we're flying. No use for your wars and stuff, 'cause we build digital castles in the sky as we float on timeless satellites. 'Cause virtual is where we live, live, live. 'Cause virtual is where we live, live, live. 'Cause virtual is where we live, live, live. 'Cause virtual is where we live, live, live.
Alright guys, well, that's basically it. I have to do a whole bunch of logistic stuff with setting up my new desktop or resetting things up and everything. This is a lot wider than I expected them to be. They're also a lot lower than I wanted them to be, which is kind of a problem because I already kind of sit low to my desk as it is. I may have to readjust some height stuff, but yeah, that's my setup. And just for fun, let me tilt this down. That looks like with the LEDs on, and so it lights up everything and stuff. But yeah, this is my new desk setup. So thank you for those who watch. It took me like a half hour to do. Good grief. Well, probably actually took a lot less because of time lapse is gonna cut everything down and everything. So thank you for watching. If you liked this type of video or something, please like and all that jazz, everything that goes along with YouTube. You guys know how it goes anyway. If you have any questions about my setup or what graphics card I use or anything, please ask them away in the comment section below. And other than that, I will catch you guys later.